All right, and time now for some of the job openings that we have here from FutureLink Incorporated. Ayan, maraming job openings na naman. At FutureLink Incorporated, oh by the way, they are at a new office. Ayan, may bago silang opisina ha, lumipat na sila. Yung sa dati kong pinopromote na office nila, hindi na doon. Okay? Anyways, I'm gonna give you the new office. Pero yung job openings muna, they are looking for dismantlers, mga taga-disassemble of end-of-life electronics. No experience needed. Overtime guaranteed. Apply now. Okay? Walang experience na kailangan. Meaning everybody can apply, right? Yung mga nakatambay-tambay dyan, imbis na tumambay-tambay kayo, apply na lang kayo, dismantlers at FutureLink Incorporated. Also hiring quality control personnel. Must be college graduate, computer literate, and at least 1 year experience in quality control. Also, they are in need of customs coordinators. Qualifications now, college graduate, at least 2 years experience in shipping, logistics, or customs brokerage. With a deep understanding of customs regulations, tariffs, and international trade procedures. Customs coordinators. Also, they are hiring draftsmen, okay, capable of using CAD or CAD and 3D graphic, able to draft for buildings and construction, able to draft equipment and products. Another job opening is for forklift drivers, forklift operators, and drivers, at least high school graduate, professional driver's license 1, 2, 3, test the NC2 in forklift, and at least 2 years experience. Siyempre naman, kailangan yan no? Yung ibang hindi naman sila maigpit kahit na walang experience. Pero ito, siyempre, mag-drive ka ng forklift, kailangan marunong ka. Okay? And they are now at their new office kung saan kayo mag-a-apply. Okay? Unit 207, second floor of Yese Building at the Greenwoods Park. Ayan. If I'm not mistaken, yung Greenwoods Park, malapit yan dun sa yung dating, kung tawagin natin ay Park and Shop. Yun, dun pa banda, urong pa ng konti doon. Ayan, halos katapat ng ng Remy Field. Ayan, okay? So, para may time kayo magpunta sa office, kahit night shift or may overtime kayo, pwedeng-pwede hanggang 8 p.m. Di ba? FutureLink is open Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. Once again, Unit 207, second floor, Yese Building, Greenwoods Park. Ayan, doon na sila located ngayon. Okay? If you're, tama nga ako. Kung alam niyo yung dating yung dating park and shop area, yung malaking parking area, pagpasok mo ng Magsaysay Gate, Ayan, okay? Pagpasok mo ng Magsaysay Gate, 'di ba, sa bandang kakaliwa ka may park and shop na malawak na parking area, Yun, diretso pa ng konti, malapit na doon. All right? Ganun lang kadali puntahan. Alright, so visit FutureLink Incorporated. Additional job openings pa meron pa sa sa Bingo Bonus. Ayan, ang Bingo Bonus, meron silang branch sa second floor, second level of the Harbor Point Mall. Meron sa Subic. Okay, meron din sa Barrio Barreto and the RC Building, RC Mall sa Bagong Palengke, East Bahak-Bahak Public Market. Okay? Ito yung job openings nila. They are in need of the following supervisors, okay? And marketing officer, saka gaming technician, card seller, cashier, tsaka yung bingo caller. Yan, di ba? May mga bosses, may mga in the line of B. Under B, bading. Letter I love you. Letter N, I love you no more. No more. In the line of G, Tommy G. Letter O, all right na okay sa Bingo Bonus. Punta na kayo, kaya apply na ha. Walk-in applicants, pwede sa number 4, 20th Street, East Bahak, Olongapo City. Yan. Malapit sa China Bank ng Bagong Palengke. Okay? Yan yung sa sa public market. Okay? Or pwede rin sa via mahaba Tingnan nyo na lang yung Facebook page ng Bingo Bonus kung gusto nyo ng online application. hrd.treasureamusement.corp CORP, dire-diretso yun at gmail.com. Sabi sa inyo, mahaba You know, nothing beats walk-in application. You know why? Kasi pupunta ka na mismo di ba? Mag-a-apply ka na eh. Makikita na, mag-meet na kayo personally. Nothing beats personal touch. Yan, tandaan nyo yan. So kung mag-a-apply kayo, kung may option na online, tsaka may option din na walk-in, piliin nyo yung walk-in. Mas maganda yon, di ba? Kasi you are already presenting yourself personally. Makikita ka na kagad niya, di ba? So sasabihin na mag-a-apply sa'yo, ang ganda pala nito, ang gwapo pala nito, kunin na natin to. Be sure na mabango rin kayo, di ba? Kasi maaaring ang sabihin nila, sa mind lang naman nila, maaaring ang sabihin, ang ganda sana nito, ito, ang gwapo sana nito, magandang employee, kaya lang may amoy. Amoy melon. Mapapaisip ka, mabango naman yung melon, di ba? Ibig niya pala sabihin, melon amoy. Ayan, so those are the job openings for Bingo Bonus. Ayan. Supervisor, marketing officer, gaming technician, card sellers, cashiers, and callers. Ayan, okay? Ayan. Oh, ginawa ko na yung ginawa ko na yung advertisement nyo, ha, Ma'am Ange? Tapos na siya. Soon. Okay. And their new operating hours, lahat ng Bingo Bonus branches, ha? Lahat ng branches nila, yung sa Olongapo City, sa public market, sa Barrio Barreto, yan, tsaka yung saan ba? Sa Subic, no? Tsaka yung sa Harbor Point nga. New operating hours, 10 a.m. to 3 a.m. And added bonus, may libreng shuttle service, no? Libre hatid sundo ka sa anumang branches, no? Ng Bingo Bonus. How awesome is that, huh? Okay. And another piece of news pa sa mga gusto pa ng trabaho. Ito pa, trabaho pa rin.